In this video, I will show you how to use a VPN to upload videos on YouTube, and we will also answer the question of whether it is allowed. Before we start, if you want a VPN that is fast, secure, and works reliably with YouTube, I recommend NordVPN. It has thousands of servers worldwide, strong privacy protection, and unlimited bandwidth. You can find the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. So, is it allowed to use a VPN for YouTube uploads? Yes, it is. A VPN, or virtual private network, hides your real IP address and makes it look like you're browsing from another location. YouTube does not block VPN users by default, so you can still watch videos, comment, like, and upload content while connected. Why would you want to use a VPN when uploading? The main reason is privacy. A VPN stops YouTube and your internet provider from knowing your true location. It can also help if you're in a country where YouTube is blocked or restricted. By connecting to a server in a country where YouTube works normally, you can upload your videos as if you were there. Using NordVPN for this is simple. Install the NordVPN app on your computer or phone, log in, and choose a server in your preferred country. Once connected, open YouTube, sign into your account, and go to the upload page. Select your video file, fill in the details, and start uploading. With NordVPN's unlimited bandwidth, you can upload large files without worrying about the connection cutting out. One extra benefit of using a VPN is that it can help avoid unnecessary account verification prompts when you travel. YouTube sometimes flags logins from unusual locations, but with NordVPN, you can connect to the same country every time, making your uploads appear consistent and reducing interruptions. Keep in mind that a VPN only hides your location. If you upload videos that break YouTube's rules, they can still take action against your account. For the smoothest experience, NordVPN also offers obfuscated servers to make VPN traffic look normal, and dedicated IP addresses to reduce login verification checks. Yes, you can use a VPN to upload to YouTube, and it is a safe way to protect your privacy and bypass restrictions. For the best speeds, security, and reliability, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.